Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5s, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode and also get rid of screen locks that you might not know. Now I'll mention right off the bat that if you plan to do this, if you're logged into Google account, this will make the device be FRP locked, meaning once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup of your phone, you will need to verify said either PIN, pattern, password, or Google account that was previously used on this device. Now I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this as well, so we can get rid of it in a little bit more convoluted way, but still you can get rid of it. But this video here will be just on resetting your device and getting rid of a screen lock. Now, right now the phone is in Russian, I believe, whatever the language is. It's Cyrillic, so whatever. And honestly, I can't really bother to find the setting and to change it to English because it doesn't really matter. So number one, what you want to do is obviously hold power key. Assuming your device is locked, you're probably doing this from a lock screen, so let's hold the power key and select power off option, which is this button right here. Tap on it twice, and once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and I believe it's volume up, I think. Let's see. So power key, volume up. Once POCO logo shows up, I'm just going to let go of the power key, but I am still holding volume up. And this takes me to recovery mode. Now in this mode, you want to select wipe data. As you can see, like I mentioned before, the Russian or whatever that Cyrillic language was didn't matter because recovery mode is always in English, at least here. So let's use volume key, either one, to scroll through the options, and you want to select wipe data, then confirm it with power key, select wipe all data, and then confirm. And as you can see, data wipe successfully, so let's press power key, power key, power key. This will now continue the reset of our device in the background. It will take the device a little bit longer than it normally does to boot back up, but once the reset is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.